Good morning to all. Today you will learn about the energy from the sun. In this lesson you are going to learn about which department measures the temperature in India and why the temperature is different in different places, what is moderate and extreme climate conditions, height and temperature related, and next one, what is inversion temperature, the temperature in the places near and far from the equator, and last one it is temperature maps. Okay, right. Which department in India measure the temperature? The Indian Meteorological Department, it's called as IMD. The headquarters of IMD located in Delhi. IMD is an agency of Ministry of Earth Science of the Government of India. It is the principal agency and responsible for meteorological observations, weather forecasting and seismology. IMD is the headquarters in Delhi. It operates hundreds of observation stations across India and Antarctica. Regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur and Pune. Understand it is. So now different kinds of temperatures are there. You will see that moderate and extreme climate conditions and continental climate condition also there. Moderate and extreme climate conditions there. What is this moderate? Moderate climate conditions mostly appear in coastal areas only. Coastal areas are where the water bodies are there in the near. Island areas are in that peninsular areas. You will see this kind of South India entirely peninsular plateau there. India. So the temperatures are differently there when compared to North India. Understand? And extreme climate conditions. What is that extreme climate conditions? We see some examples. Moderate and extreme climate conditions. Best example, one is if you take that Panaji, means Panaji the capital of Goa. Another one, if you see that Hyderabad or in the Delhi area. So these are located in that faraway place from the seashore or sea areas. So here we have to discuss about differences. Understand what is moderate and what is extreme. Moderate means there is no much difference between the highest temperature and lowest temperature. That is called moderate. Moderate means almost equal or same. If you see in that Panaji area, means Panaji, it's located in that seashore. Even in the winter season or even in that summer season, maximum or minimum temperatures are same or equal only. There is no much difference between that. Understand it is. So it is called as a moderate climate conditions. Mostly coastal areas are where the touches the oceans or the seas. So that climate conditions are mostly, it's known as moderate only. If you see that Chennai, it is also moderate climate conditions in Chennai, because it is also located in that seashore area only. Understand it is. And next, here it is another one, extreme. What is that extreme? Extreme means, previously we discussed moderate means there is no much difference, but in that extreme climate conditions means that maximum and minimum temperatures are more only, not less or not equal, more. Maximum temperature is very highest, more. Minimum temperature also more, minus, or in that more only. Even in the summer season or even in the winter season, these are all differences only, completely difference. In summer temperature highest there in that Delhi area or in that Hyderabad area, because of due to more insulation record in the land, and air also get hot, and similarly at the time record highest temperatures during summer. And next in the winter season, in the winter season also more very cold climate conditions. If you see in Delhi area, morning up to 10 also snowfall going on during the winter season. Similarly in Hyderabad area also. Understand? So this is only all highest. But if you whereas in that moderate climate conditions, in that equally only, not more difference or much difference. Do you understood this point? Yes, I hope you that you understood. Yes, it is. Similarly, here it is in Visakhapatnam area. It is located in the coastal area. Understand? And if you see that Visakhapatnam, when you compare to the Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam is located in the coastal area, and mostly the climate conditions are influenced by the coastal. Coastal means what it is? Bay of Bengal area it is. Bay of Bengals. See there. But in the Vijayawada, there is no sea. There is no water body surrounding that. So, in that Vijayawada also far away place from that. In that extreme cold climate conditions, here it is moderate climate conditions. Visakhapatnam moderate. In Vijayawada, extreme. If you see extreme climate conditions, also called as continental climate. Keep in mind that continental climate. The continental climate conditions mostly appears in the places where the far away place from the seashore or sea areas or water body areas. Understood? Different places have different temperature. We already discussed in the previous topic. The places that are near the sea and far away from the sea usually have different temperatures only. You already observed in that in your areas. The temperatures differ on the top of mountain and its foot. Understand it is because you already know that the temperature changes as we go north or south from the equator. And another one, if you move from every 1000 meters ascent, the temperature also decreases. Do you know how much temperature decreases? If you move from 1000 meters ascent, for every 1000 meters ascent, temperature decreases 6 centigrades degrees. Okay, and that's why the mountainous areas temperatures are less, than the mountain foot areas. Understand it is? And the next one, places near and far from the sea also recorded that different temperatures. We already discussed in the previous topic. Coastal areas are different temperatures and interior areas are different temperatures are there. Interior means the faraway place from the sea or coastal areas only. Okay. And next one, height and temperatures. If you see peak summer season, means during that summer season people go from the plain areas to hilly places, means hill stations such as Ooty, Shimla, Nainital, Darjeeling, because of plain areas have more temperatures than hill stations. Understand it is? Even in the summer months the temperatures are low on high hill stations or hill areas. If you see that highest part of a mountain generally have the lowest temperatures only, because the temperature decreases with the elevation. Elevation means height. Understand it is? If you see that Shimla and Delhi, so how the temperatures are there in that, you can see this monthly temperatures of the Delhi and Shimla showing averages. Delhi is at the elevation of about 200 meters above the sea level, while Shimla is at an elevation of about 2200 meters above the sea level. Usually for every 1000 meters increase in the elevation, the temperature falls by about 6 degrees centigrade. So due to this reason the temperatures are changes and cooler temperatures are recorded in that only. So different kinds of plants grow on high hill areas and mountainous areas only. Understand? Right. And what are that? Temperature maps. India is a vast country. In that different kind of places, and the temperature also varies from place to place and region to region. If we want to find out which places are hotter and which places are colder, we can use a temperature maps. Understand it is? If you see, look it in that atlas book to find the map of India that shows the average temperature in January. Generally the temperatures are recorded in January month. Okay, this average temperature is average of the maximum and minimum temperatures for that month only. Understand? In this map India has been dividing into different sections. Each are marked with a different colors. By referring to the key, you can find out the average temperature in January in each of these sections. Okay. Here it mentioned that according to this map, there is no place in India that has an average January temperature higher than 30 degrees centigrade. Last one it is inversion. Inversion means what? We already discussed that. If you move ascent, for every 1000 meters the temperature decreases. This is the main formula. But in addition to that, the temperature is not decreased, temperature is not increased. It is called as inversion. Where it is, when it will be occur that kind of inversion. If you see that In winter season, you can observe that winter season entirely ground level totally cools. There is no much insulation also. There is no at the time more condensation there, means snowfall occur. That's why cool temperatures appears in the grounds during winter season. And at the winter season, daytime is also very less. Daytime is less, nighttime is more. In that, let's into similarly, whereas in the summer season is daytime is more. Understand? Temperature also more and insulation more. Less condensation. Condensation means there is no rainfall or any kind of that snowfall or anything. That's all. So that's why this type of condition known as inversion temperature. Understood? Thank you for watching my channel.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.